Hello and welcome to this video on how to add USDT to MetaMask. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice or the web browser where you have downloaded the extension of MetaMask. And after that, you just have to look on the right hand side of the screen. There will be an download icon. And on the left side of the download icon, there will be extension icon. You can just hover around it and it will say extension. So you just have to click on it. And all the extensions that you have downloaded will be shown. Now you just have to click on the MetaMask and MetaMask will be open right in front of your screen. Now you just have to scroll down to the bottom and there will be import tokens button. So you just have to click on the import tokens and a pop-up box will appear and you will be inside the search section, and in the search bar you just have to write USDT, and after that you just need to click on that USDT icon and you will be able to add. So I have currently added USDT previously, so it shows that I have already added. But if you haven't added, then USDT will be like any other token, just like this. You can just click on here and after that you can press on the next button and you can just import. So this is how to add USDT to MetaMask. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.